Hi guys, I just want to come on here and tell you guys, thank you so much. I have 2,309 subscribers. I just want to come on here and let you guys know that I really appreciate it, and I thank you so much. And I'm coming up on my 2 years. Will be December the 1st. I've been on here for 2 years. 2 years, and I have made 2,309 subscribers. Oh my God, that's a lot. Now I can't say I don't have no friends, because I have 2,309 new friends. I just wanted to come on here and say I thank you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support especially the ones that have been here with me from day one. Thank you so much. And yeah, hopefully I will be done made it to 3,000 subscribers by December the 1st. Let's get me to 3,000 subscribers by my 2nd year anniversary. I can't believe it. I just want to come on here and say thank you guys so much. I love you and hope you continue to support me. And I'm just trying to get up there. I want to start helping more people. That's my goal. That was the reason for me to start the YouTube, because that's some extra money that I can give back to my community. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much. I love you, and you have a blessed day. Today is Monday. Today is Monday, October the 9th, I think. It's October the 9th or the 10th. Just imagine this month is almost half gone. Almost half over. But I just wanted to use this time to come on here and say I thank you guys so much and I love you. Bye.